Ka Indus Towers haka jingi trilang bat ka Shishu Sarothi haka singi thoding jong tayo kata haka arpo henreu terik ubnai rempang arhajar arpo kelala banai gi khusnam lane ka baibam ne scholarship shagi khat khandai ngut ki khana school ki badon jingduna hagi Dkhot met ki bawan shakmat haka jingpule haka kerdan higher education ka badai na keleng ki jaka jong ka jela Meghalaya. Ketika jing syajit jong ki khat khandai ngut ki khana school ketika jing tresitom jong ka Bethany Society Shillong kabalai ka jing itu ia ki khat khandai ngut ki badon hok banyo ia ka jing pun ku buram namar ki kam jong ki badru ka jinglong jing man jong ki bak society kelalap dak ba petu bahaya ki ia ketika jing pun ku buram bat ka jing ai ku snam scholarship la pendong dak jing ilang ka bakerpang bala penlong ru dak Bethany Society Shillong ha ka ba ikong Linda J Sangmai bidai Assistant Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities jong sarkar jela ilawan poi kum ikong san Shushu ketika company kalau ong bakan ai ke scholarship yagi kena ki badan gejing duna hak Dkhot met hadu kumba sa shispa arpongut na kathan chatai lammingi jong gari India ka badairu ka benta jong gejing trikam ka Indus Cooperate Social Responsibility Program.
Have that ambition to study. So make use of the scholarship which the NGO have provided for you, has chosen you, and I would like to say, just be tough. Just be tough. I'm telling you, life is cruel to all of us, and you are special. You're special. We love you, and we would like to see you grow up. We would like to see you achieve so many things, not only for yourself, but your family, and also for the world. So God bless you so much, and I'm so thankful to be part of this. Like I told you, and that everything changes when I come to Bethany Society. Like I feel that you come to that sanctuary, like you said, Mr. Karmo. So with these few words, I would like to say that thank you so much.